Jai Sriman After Sarabhanga Mahamuni left for Brahmalokam, all the rishis, munis, munisanghaha, samagataha, they all came to Sri Ramachandra Swami. In those munis, there are so many different categorized munis. Some of them are Vaikhanasa. Those munis came out from the nails of Paramatma. They are Vaikhanasas. There are some munis. They came out from hair of Paramatma. Valakhilyaha. Some munis always they will be washing themselves with water. Some prakshala. Some munis are known as samprakshala. And there are some munis, always they will be keeping their mouth open so that the rays of Muni, the rays of moon, the rays of sun will be going inside of them. So they are known as Marichipaha. And some munis are Asmakuttascha. They will be hitting themselves with the stones. Some munis are like that. And there are some munis Patraharaha. Their food is only leaves. There are some munis Dantolukalaha. That means they will be taking out the top skin of the grains, and with their teeth they take out, they peel out the top skin of grains and then they eat them. That is what is their food. They are known as Dantolukala. And there are some munis Majjakaha. They will be completely drowning their body up to their head in the water. Only head will be top of the water. That is how they will be doing tapasya. There are some munis like that. And there are some munis Gatrasaya. They keep their head on their chest, or they keep their head on their shoulder and they will be sleeping. That is what is their tapasya. And there are some munis, they will not bend any of their parts of the body, and straight they will be standing and doing tapasya. And there are some munis, even if there is hot sun, heavy rain, heavy wind, they will not be under any roof. They will be completely in open place and doing tapasya. They are known as Abhravakasakaha. There are some munis like that. And there are some munis Munayaha, Salila, Aharaha. Their food is only water. There are some munis Vayubhakshaha. Only their food is air, wind. And there are some munis Akasanilayaha. They will be going to the top end of the branches of the big trees, and they will stand there and do tapasya. That means they are almost standing in the space. There are some munis Standila Sayinaha. They will be doing their bedding with the darbha and they sleep over there. That is how they do the tapasya. There are some munis Upavasa Nirataha. They fast. There are some munis that do not take any kind of food. There are some munis Ardrapatavasasaha. They always will be wearing wet cloths. There are some munis Japascha. They will be doing always japam. There are some munis, they will be always doing parayanas. There are some munis, they will be doing Ashtanga yogas. Like this, so many categorized munis, all of them at once came to Ramam Abhijagmuscha Tapasaha. They came to Sri Ramachandra Swami and about to ask Ramachandra Swami like this. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।